stage which is set for the second and the last phase of Jharkhand Assembly elections. This is the final battle in the polling that will decide the fate of Hemant Soren-led JMM. And when the voters cast their vote for 38 out of the remaining total 81 seats, it is a crucial battle that has witnessed polarization, controversy over demography change, alleged unchecked infiltration in the state, where top leaders, including that of the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister, have campaigned extensively in the state, targeting alleged corruption by CM Soren, who was jailed in a money laundering case. Let's also talk about when it comes to the key issues as we get Tetri connected with us to talk about when it comes to this election season, because it will be seen as a referendum on the corruption charges against Hemant Soren, who was previously jailed. While he and his party had claimed political vendetta, the BJP had called it vindication of the corruption in the government. The Champai Soren factor could also play a role with him switching sides to the BJP this election season. So the biggest issues there, Tetri, good morning, who's joining us live right now. As far as pitching on this campaign, especially when it comes to demographic change, that has been one of the talking points there. Of course, when it comes to the unchecked immigration, national security and all of these issues, the tribal community factor also being directly impacted. That have been multiple factors that have been seen in this election season in Jharkhand.
Well, absolutely. Demography is an important factor. Apart from that, the tribal voters are important, women voters are important, and that is why we saw that both the parties, Congress and BJP and JMM, in fact, came up with the Gogo Didi Yojana and Maiya Samman Yojana. But in fact, as you were talking about Hemant Soren's arrest in the alleged money laundering case, it came up with a lot of, political unfolding events, because apart from after Hemant Soren was arrested, he resigned, and then Champai Soren was made the chief minister. Post that, again Hemant Soren was, after walking out of the jail, he became the chief minister. Then Champai Soren joined the BJP. So we'll have to see that how all these, turn of events will be impacting the mind of voters. But as far as this particular area of Santal Pargana is concerned, yes, this area is a major belt of tribal voters, and their main, in fact, issue is just about the basic facilities like education, water, employment. We have been speaking to people over here on the ground, and in fact they are very much concerned about the very much basic facilities, and in fact they are saying that there are some, in fact, villages where there is no electricity and water itself. So that is why their main concern is the basic facility. And apart from that, as you also mentioned about the issues and the statements that were raised by the BJP about the infiltrators, from Prime Minister to Home Minister to Chief Ministers, all of them raised the issue about infiltrators. Then we saw the statement of Ghulam Ahmad Mir ahead of second phase of polling, and then we also saw Congress party defending Ghulam Ahmad Mir. Then there was the controversy of Rahul Gandhi's chopper being halted. So keeping all these things in mind, apart from that also, if we talk about the number of voters in the second phase, that is approximately 1 crore, and women voters are approximately 60 lakh. So yes, you see the numbers also of women voters is higher. So that is why both the parties are also were also trying, in fact, to woo the women voters, because they are the decision makers.
And all of these, when it comes to these controversies that had played, has happened during when it comes to this gap that has happened between the first and the second phase of elections. Of course, CM Soren also making that pitch, even when it comes to the Prime Minister, saying that not a single one, as far as when it comes to the leaders who have extensively campaigned in the state of Jharkhand, according to CM Soren, saying that no one has talked about their rights or their children's provident fund, or even when it comes to the support of the elders or guarantee the security of the Jharkhandis. But in the meantime, as we take a look at the key clashes that has been reported in the state of Jharkhand, but the key issues as well that also we will also talk about when it comes to the fights that has been taking place, and what are the issues on agenda at large this election season. When it comes to infiltration, that has been one of the most talking points there. Of course, we have seen BJP time and again that have raised the issue of infiltration. However, the current dispensation has denied that there are any factors of illegal immigration that are present in the state of Jharkhand. Now, even when it comes to the netas there, the Congress neta vowing subsidies for all, including infiltrators, that was said to be one of the most bigger talking points there, of giving subsidized cylinders of 450 rupees to Hindus, to Muslims, to Ghuspetis, to infiltrators. That had been a major political controversy that had broken out. Demography is also one of the other key factors that we talk about. Political fight over demographic change, that is also said to be one of the other key issues. Even when it comes to the factor which is of tribals, that has been the main talking point, especially when it comes to the population at large and how it has been also affected when it comes to 26.21% percentage of the Jharkhand population that also amounts to the tribals in the state. With the recent arrest also of Hemant Soren himself being the chief minister, which he had to let go of that position and then he came back to it. However, this has also had seen a certain sort of an impact when it comes to the election season, because corruption allegations has been one of the poll plank that has been taken by the BJP, by the NDA. Of course, when it comes to Champai Soren, who took over in the meantime while Hemant Soren was in jail, and he then jumping ship, citing that he was insulted and humiliated within the party, that is also said to be one of the major factors that are now at play when it comes to Jharkhand elections is concerned. So speaking when it comes to the politicians and of course how they have been reacting